And now we will set the X and Y origin point. For example, we will move the X and Y here. And press X, Y, 0. So this point is X and Y working origin. And then we will do the Z-axis working origin. We have two ways. One is we will use the calibrator, when we use it first time, it's better to test it if it works well, and then we will press the menu and on/off together at the same time. So you can see the speed, the z-axis is going down slowly, and now we will use the calibrator to touch it, and so it go up automatically. So it's fine.